Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to see exercise 1 in addition chapter. We are going to see addition of 4-digit numbers. So whenever we are adding, first we have to write the place values of the number. Ones, tens, hundreds, next 1000. So first we'll start from ones place, next tens place, next hundreds place, next thousands place. So 3 plus 4 we are going to add. 4 is the greatest number. So 4 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Next tens place. 6 is the greatest number. So 6 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. 6 after 7, 8. Next one, hundreds place. 4 plus 3 we are going to add. So 4 is the greatest number. 4 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Next, thousands place. 2 is the greatest number. So 2 in the mind, 1 in the fingers. 2 after 3. So what is the answer? 3787. Next one. First write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Next 1000. So first we are going to start from ones place. So 1 plus 8 we are going to add. So which is the greatest number? 8 is the greatest number. So 8 in the mind, 1 in the fingers. 8 after 9. Next 1 plus 7. 7 is the greatest number. So 7 in the mind, 1 in the fingers. 7 after 8. Next 0 plus 0. If you are adding 0 plus 0, 0 only. Next 7 plus 1. Next thousands place. 7 in the mind, 1 in the fingers. 7 after 8. Next we'll move on to next one. Next, first write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, next 1000. So next we are going to add ones place, next tens place, next hundreds place, and then thousands place. So ones place, 3 plus 5 we are going to add. 5 is the greatest number. 5 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. Next 0 plus 6 we are going to add. If you add any number with 0, you will get the same number. So 6 plus 0 or 0 plus 6, 6 is the answer. Next 0 plus 0, 0 only. Next thousands place. 6 plus 2 we are going to add. So 6 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. So 6 after 7, 8. So what is the answer? 8008. Next one, write the place values first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. First you start from ones place. So 2 plus 6 we are going to add. 6 is the greatest number. So 6 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. 6 after 7 and then 8. Next, tens place we are going to add 1 plus 1. So 1 in the mind, 1 in the fingers. So 1 after 2. Next, as I told you already, 1 plus 0 means if you add any number with 0, you will get the same number. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Next 2 plus 6, thousands place. So 6 is the greatest number. So 6 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. 6 after 7 and then 8. What is the answer? 8128. Next, we are going to see word problem. See, in a school library, there are 3,425 story books and 2,304 subject books. How many books are there in the library? So what they are asking, in a school library, there are 3,425 story books. So after the number, they'll give the objects. So you look at the objects, then you can write the wording. See, 2,304 subject books. So what they are asking, how many books are there in the library? So total they are asking, totally how many books? So what you have to do? We are going to add. So how many story books? 3,425 story books. Subject books 2,304. They are asking total number of books. So what we have to do? First step, number of first story books. Number of story books. So how many number of story books? 3,425. So whenever you are writing the numbers, write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands. Next, 2,304 subject books. So number of subject books. How many subject books are there? The library. How many subject books? 1,304. So now what we are going to do? We are going to add these numbers. So write plus symbol. First we have to add the ones place, next tens place, next hundreds place, after the thousands place. So we are going to add ones place. 5 plus 4 we are going to add. 5 is the greatest number. So 5 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Then tens place, 2 plus 0. If you add any number with 0, you will get the same number. So 2. Next, hundreds place. 4 plus 3 we are going to add. 4 is the greater number. 3 is the smallest number. So 4 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Next, thousands place. 3 plus 2 we are going to add. So 3 is the greatest number. 3 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. 3 after 4, 5. So total number of books in the library equal to total number of books in the library. How many books are there in the library? 5,729. So at last you have to write the answer. Total number of books in the library. How many books are there in the library? 5,729. So how many books are there in the library? 5,729. So how many books are there? 5,729. So whenever you are saying first, you look at the question. Okay. So what is the question they have given? In a school library, there are 3,425 story books and 2,304 subject books. Then how many books are there in the library? So story books 3,425, then subject books 2,304. So we are going to add these two numbers, then total number of books in the library. So whenever they are asking addition means you have to write total. So total number of books in the library equal to 5,729. Next word problem. Aarti has two stamp albums. One album has 2,306 stamps. The other album has 3,143 stamps. How many stamps does Aarti have in all? So have in all they are asking. So have in all means what you have to do? Addition. So after the number what they have given, listen. So stamps they have given in one album 2,306 stamps. Then in other album 3,143 stamps. So what they have given? So number of what they have given object stamps. So number of stamps in one album. Number of stamps in one album equal to how many stamps in one album? 2,306. So write the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Next, number of stamps. Number of stamps in other album. In the question itself, you can take the words, okay? In the other album. Number of stamps in other album equal to 3,143. What we are going to do here? We are going to add this number. So you write the plus symbol. 6. So first you have to write ones place, add ones place, next tens place, next hundreds place, after the thousands place. So 6 plus 3 we are going to add. So 6 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. Next 0 plus 4. So if you add any number with 0, you will get the same number. So 0 plus 4 equal to 4. Next hundreds place. 3 and then 1 you are going to add. So 3 in the mind, 1 in the fingers. 3 after 4. Next thousands place. 2 plus 3 are going to add. Which is the greatest number? 3 is the greatest number. So 3 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. 3 after 4, 5. So what is the answer? 5,449. So total number of stamps Aarti has. Total number of stamps Aarti has 5,449. Answer total number of stamps Aarti has. So how many stamps Aarti has? 5,449. So in one album she has 2,306 stamps, and then in other album she has 3,143 stamps. So how many stamps does Aarti have in all means we have to add. So how will you write the steps? First, number of stamps in one album equal to 2,306. Next, number of stamps in other album equal to 3,143. Don't forget to write this symbol, whether you are adding or subtracting. First, you write this symbol, plus symbol you write. And then add from ones place, next tens place, next hundreds place, next thousands place. So total number of stamps Aarti has 5,449. So thank you children. See you tomorrow.